Beautiful day today here in the Ram. No call-outs today, so I have a rescue route. Looking pretty tame today. Let's get this organized and we'll be on our way. Do you put your totes in like this or like that? If you do it like this, it fits under the shelf, but you always have a danger of one of these coming unzipped and spilling all your packages everywhere. If you do it like this, your packages aren't gonna fall out, but it sticks out farther into the walkway. So which do you prefer? Let me know. I'm trying a new method of organizing called the just dump everything everywhere method. This only works if you have some space, but basically I'm just gonna look at the driver ID number organized by the last 2 digits. So like right now there's a 4448, 4451. I put the 40s in one pile, the 50s in one pile. If there's 60s or 30s, I'll put those in their own pile. 50s, 40s. Okay, here's a good example. Got my 50s, 40s, 30s, and even a 20 down there. So they're not in order, but they're grouped, and it's quicker than spending the time to sort everything. Yeah, I think it helps. Also, I should mention that there's been an interesting development at the station, and I'll give you a hint. It rhymes with Schmivian. Hopefully that didn't give it away. Picked up our rescue, 44 more stops. Let's go. Made it back to the station. Time to go check out that interesting special thing that I found. Here we go. Quick shout out, Friday Adventure Club tote bag. I made some shirts. So if you want to help out the channel, support me. If you like this video, go check out FridayAdventureClub.com. I'm selling my shirts that I hand screen printed myself, and I'll link the video of that action. But here we go. We're just about 2 seconds away from seeing this sweet Rivian van. So this one's charging right now, but here's the craziest part. Are you ready? Look at all those chargers. Each one of these stalls has this side and that side, and there are 30 stalls. So that means 60 vans. I don't know anything about EV charging, but this is one of the ones that's not like in this box situation. Whoa. Look, you can seriously see how many there are. It's crazy. But it says fast charging, so that sounds good. 50 kilowatts, does that mean something? 120 volts? I don't know. A couple months ago, I made a video about my first impressions of the Rivian van. The driver let me check it out and peek inside, but I really don't know that much about them, and I definitely haven't driven them. I wish. Sounds like that's all coming soon, very soon here in Seattle. The craziest thing is how big these are. Like, they're quite a bit bigger than the Ford Transits. I don't know if you can tell, but it says charging complete. There's the charger. Very cool. The one concern that I keep hearing from people is the ground clearance. People are wondering if it'll get high-centered or stuck on curbs or potholes or whatever. It looks about the same to me. I don't have a measuring tape on me, but I'm looking at some of the Rams and the Mercedes right here. It looks about the same because all of the standard cargo vans have the step, the dreaded step. Here, I'll get a close-up. That step. There was a thing where somebody stepped out of the cargo area and twisted their ankle or something, and from then on all the vans had to have a step. So with the step, the normal cargo vans are just as low to the ground as that guy right there. I guess you don't need a step over here by the sliding passenger side walkout door. I could stay here all day looking at that thing, wishing that I could drive it. There will be many more soon. It's just a matter of when. For you drivers out there, you will have to take a separate training, the EDV training, and I think it's like a 1-day thing, or maybe like 4 hours. So the issue right now is that there's only one of those driver trainers who's qualified to train for the EDV, but there are hundreds of DAs here at the station. I'm sure as we get more of the vans, there will be more people here to train. But yeah, if you're like me and you're super pumped to drive one of these things, there's gonna be a training. You're gonna have to go through the whole process. Fingers crossed, we'll all be driving one of those soon. Unless you're my coworker Russell, who wants to stay in the step van. We'll see, bro. They're pretty sweet. All right, it's dinner time. Thanks for watching. I'm tired. Another successful day. See you on the next one.